सही जगह लेके आए हो। मल्लेश्वरम में ढूंढ के निकाला है तुमने। द वर्ड हरमाकी कम्स फ्रॉम द नेम ऑफ अ विलेज हरमाकी। आदिल के साथ बैठो, थोड़ा रिवर्स मारते हैं।
डेजर्ट से शुरू करेंगे।
लाइफ इज शॉर्ट, ईट डेजर्ट्स फर्स्ट।
Because if you're a matcha lover, you have to taste these things. It's earthy. The affogato that I've ever had is in Vivoli, right? So what they do is they take their in-house ice cream, vanilla ice cream. They make the star design in the cup, and then they will put it and let the espresso flow in between the ice cream, right? Like a make a hole. थोड़ा छोटा नहीं लग रहा आदिल के लिए?
देखते हैं आपके साडो का पावर आज, देखते हैं आपके मशरूम का तड़का आज। मेरे को इसके ब्रेड की फील ना पाव भाजी टाइप आ गया। तो तुम बोलते रहते हो ना वो इटली में जाके फील आती है जहाँ पे एक बड़ा ट्रे होता है, वो ट्रे में से निकाल के स्कूप करके वो डालते हैं।
You don't eat tiramisu at only dessert places. You eat at a coffee place because the most important part is that soaking of those biscuits in coffee. This is probably in the tiramisu world for me, easy. It's one of the best tiramisus that I've had for a long time.
Flashing bright, we're on the go. Tune in now, there's so much to know. Earning bits, travel dreams we sow. All aboard the great Indian Points and Miles show. Zero to hero in the blink of an eye. Fly first class, no need to be shy. Redemption sweet, touching the sky. Award seats booked, let's give it a try. Award seats booked, let the points flow. It's all aboard the great Indian Points and Miles show. Unlocking journeys wherever you go. The sky's the limit, feel the travel mojo.
Hello and welcome to another fun episode of the Great Indian Yum Yum Show. Yes, this is not the Points and Miles show we're talking about today. We're going to be talking about a very, very exclusive Great Indian Yum Yum Show. So we were talking to Deemant a couple of days back and he was like, यार अगला शूट हुआ ना मल्लेश्वरम में करेंगे। मैंने कहा बैंगलोर में, मल्लेश्वरम में कहाँ, और मोर इम्पोर्टेंटली क्यों? डोसा वॉक करा रहे हो, तिंडी वॉक करा रहे हो, आर यू गोइंग टू टेक मी टू CTR बिकॉज आई एब्सोल्युटली लव दैट प्लेस। ही वाज लाइक नहीं, आई एम अ कॉफी गाय एंड आई वांट टू इंट्रोड्यूस यू टू सम अमेजिंग but super underrated yet a phenomenal coffee and desserts experience. ओके, नेकी और पूछ पूछ, चलो शुरू करते हैं। धीमन, थैंक यू फॉर गेटिंग मी यार, कैसे हो?
Welcome, all good यार. I mean, looking forward to convert you to coffee. I know it's not going to happen, but कोशिश तो करनी चाहिए. आपके ही वर्ड्स में, like always ask, always push. So, कोशिश
देखो
करें.
जनता जानती है that I am a चाय गाय, बट ठीक है, आज देखते हैं आप कहाँ लाए हो. सो लेट्स टेल आवर व्यूअर्स कि आप आज हमें हरमाकी लाए हो. हरमाकी इज इन मल्लेश्वरम. And we were talking to Prajwal, who runs the place. The story of Prajwal is very fascinating, right? Here's a guy who's a chef by profession, served at the Chancery Pavilion in Bangalore, made amazing gourmet, South Indian gourmet at the Taj West End. And then for the last 8 years, he's been running Harmaki,
Yeah.
which is this very quaint little joint that you discovered some time back and you're a regular. I was asking Prajwal, यार इसकी history थोड़ी बताओ. And he very fascinatingly told me is like, the word Harmaki comes from the name of a village Harmaki, which is next to Coorg, जहाँ पे the grand total of people that live in Harmaki village is 35 people.
35.
Imagine पूरे village में सिर्फ 35 लोग, 35 लोग रहते हैं.
Interesting.
And his family background is also that they're into roasting coffee beans and into coffee plantations. They have a small
Nice.
plantation there, and therefore he started this because he's passionate about coffee. ये हो गई इसकी हिस्ट्री. आप बताओ क्यों लाए हो यहाँ पे, कैसे डिस्कवर किया उसको, क्या पसंद आया आपको?
Yeah, awesome. I think I didn't know that by the way. Great fact hunting जिसको बोलते हैं. So two things happened, right? On one of our episodes, Vivek came in the coffee episode.
Yeah?
And he mentioned a underrated place called Harmaki.
हाँ.
I said यार ये नाम भी अच्छा लग रहा है, underrated भी है, तो मतलब वो ना कीड़ा होता है. तो I came in one day in my casual jog wear to come with my laptop work, and I opened and I came to Malleshwaram that day morning and I started working from here. And while having my coffee, I was talking to Prajwal and he is like, यार, you have some interesting coffee desserts. और मैंने बोला यार, I like desserts, but I can't appreciate desserts like a connoisseur like you, right? So I thought कि यार आदिल को एक दिन ले आएंगे and then बात चलते चलते भी like यार, why don't we shoot an episode here? And that's why we are here today. So आप तो चाय वाले इंसान हो, राइट? आप तो हमेशा मेरी कॉफ़ी को डिस करते हो, तो सोचा कि क्यों ना ट्राई किया जाए आपको कन्वर्ट करने के लिए विद सम इंटरेस्टिंग डेजर्ट बेस्ड ऑन कॉफ़ी, राइट? सो शुरू करते हैं. आई थिंक लेट्स सी वेयर वी गो फ्रॉम हियर, बट आई एम सुपर एक्साइटेड टू गेट यू हियर.
So I want to tell our guests how this man convinced me to come here. ये इंसान, जैसे मैं हमेशा इसको देख के बोलता हूँ. He told me, Adil, you've had an affogato, right? मैंने कहा हाँ, obviously. What is an affogato? It's like dark roast coffee or medium roast coffee, however you like it, but served with a rich scoop of vanilla ice cream. So it's like coffee and it's a dessert, but you enjoy it. Then Dhiman told me, have you ever had a matcha gato? मतलब भाई matcha gato ये क्या है? मतलब so then he broke it down to me कि यार matcha is like, you know, the chai that is famous in Japan and that is trending across the country, जहाँ लोग बोल रहे हैं भाया मुझे matcha दे दीजिए. So we were like, I've tried matcha at a bunch of different places, ठीक है? But for whatever reason, I have not converted to a matcha fan yet. Although my 13-year-old Hammad at home absolutely swears by and loves matcha. जब आपने मेरे को बोला matcha गाटो पिलाओगे, तब मैं बोला हाँ यार यहाँ चल सकते हैं.
Interesting.
So लाए पहले उससे शुरुआत करते हैं.
Let's do
I know
that.
like normally when you have meals, we typically start with an appetizer first, फिर उसके बाद entree होता है, फिर main होता है और फिर dessert पे आते हैं. आदिल के साथ बैठो थोड़ा रिवर्स मारते हैं.
डेजर्ट से शुरू करेंगे.
Life is short, eat desserts first.
क्या बोलते हैं ना, भाई पहले डेजर्ट खाएगा.
तो एक काम करते हैं, शुरू करते हैं. Let's bring the matcha gato.
Perfect.
Let's see and taste it for the first time. I have never tasted it.
Done.
You have never tasted it, but you've heard good things from a bunch of your
Absolutely.
friends. लाते हैं, शुरुआत करते हैं.
परफेक्ट.
Prajwal, can we get that matcha gato, please? Awesome. So team, this is Prajwal. Prajwal runs the place. He's got the lovely affogato for us. Love the cute cups.
आपके दिल में कॉफी, आपने फिर से अफागोटो बोला.
अरे matcha gato, sorry. ये हो जाता है मेरे से गलती से कभी.
It's
जब
okay to
खाना देखता हूँ ना तो वो excitement.
It's okay to express a love for coffee. It's okay.
वो उदय शेट्टी का डायलॉग है ना, control.
Nice. Thank you so
And
much.
that's our, what roast coffee is this?
Medium
This is
roast.
the medium roast?
Yeah, looks like the medium roast.
And this is from your Harmaki farm. Awesome.
So one fine day the Italian said कि हमारे दो सबसे फेवरेट चीज़ है, जिलाटो और कॉफी को साथ में मिलाएंगे. जापानीज बोला नहीं, रुको जरा.
सबर करो.
And by the way, let's begin.
नहीं, इसको खाते कैसे हैं? तो पहले आइसक्रीम उठाना है या पहले कॉफी उठाना है या दोनों साथ में करना है? ये बताओ.
Great question. I think one way of doing it is if you ever tried Vietnamese coffee,
हाँ जी.
right? If you wait for the ice cream to melt, it very much will become like a Vietnamese coffee.
Okay.
But before that, the right way to do it is take one spoon, eat the ice cream with
भाई मेल्ट हो जाएगी, जल्दी बोलो.
Go with it. Like pick up a piece of ice cream and just go with like.
अच्छा, I'm going to do my way. I'm going to try the coffee first. The coffee is nice and dark.
Yeah.
अब आइसक्रीम के साथ ट्राई करते हैं.
By the time it fully melts, it will be like a Vietnamese coffee for you.
Man, I'm telling you. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Adil Bandhukwala saying, I have finally found matcha that I actually like. So matcha, if I actually like, I don't know. The matcha ice cream here at Harmaki is absolute tops. I'll tell you what I like about it. When you dig into it, it's nice, it's sweet, it's decadent, it's rich, it's silky smooth. But then when you have that roast coffee with it, it just kills the sweetness. So now you're happy with that super yum rich taste, but then the coffee absolutely kills it immediately and brings you back to planet Earth. तो पहले आप चले गए थे सातवें आसमान पे, बट बहुत जल्दी आप आ गए रियलिटी पे. तो इसीलिए मेरे को रियलिटी पे लाने के लिए ही ये खिला रहे हो क्या?
वो बोलते हैं ना अर्धी वाली टेस्ट आ रही है. लाइक आर यू गेटिंग सम अर्धी टेस्ट? बिकॉज़ इफ यू आर अ matcha lover you have to taste these things. It's अर्धी.
तो
It's
पता नहीं यार,
nice.
मेरे को matcha, मैं बोल रहा हूँ, I'm confessing on the cam and people know that I've never enjoyed matcha till date, but you know what, you've convinced me to a matcha ice cream.
But now can you see, like once the ice cream melts, it's almost like thick Vietnamese coffee. Like it's almost like you just give it a stir and see how it.
But you know
almost
what,
like
I actually don't mind just the coffee as well, right? It's perhaps because of the matcha melting in it. The coffee has this nice taste that, like, it's not super, it's not bitter, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's probably because of the sweetness coming from the ice cream. But I don't know if the camera can zoom in or whatever, but this particular matcha ice cream is tops.
Good. Coming from Adil, it means a lot, folks.
For sure.
But the best affogato that I've ever had is in Vivoli, right? I mean, we spoke about it in the Italy episode. They have this hundreds and thousands of people standing in queue.
Yeah.
The rate at which they pull out espressos. So what they do is they take their in-house ice cream, vanilla ice cream. They make the star design in the cup, and then they will put it and let the espresso flow in between the ice cream, right? Like make a hole in between, and it's like one of the most fantastic experiences you can ever have in Italy, man.
तुमको पता है ना अभी क्या हो रहा है? आप जो बोल रहे हो मैं सुन रहा नहीं हूँ. I am only interested in this matcha gato because it is really good. And I don't know, Nikhil, if you can bring the cam here, and I'm okay if this screws up the frame. I just want you to like take a shot of this. What I mean by that is, if you come and bring the camera here, and you focus on this shot right here on this cup, you will see the matcha color. It's not that rich green matcha color, obviously, because the brown of the coffee has gone into it. But when you have this, like Dhimant had predicted, it has now turned into your Vietnamese sexy creaminess of sorts.
Yep.
So enjoy the ice cream, enjoy the dessert, and then enjoy a lovely cup of the melted madness of this super yum matcha gato.
I'm also thinking once it becomes this thick liquid, it may not be a bad idea to kind of take some ice cubes and pour it onto ice cubes. Not a bad idea.
You know what? Actually, we should recommend it
Yeah.
now, saying that if you really want to enjoy this over a large period of time, just like we go to our favorite Maverick, and we have the Vietnamese iced one there because they serve ice in a glass separately, and then they have your Vietnamese pour with condensed milk on a separate glass. You end up fusing both and then sipping it gradually over a period of time.
Yeah.
ये same चीज इसके साथ कर सकते हैं. The other thing I've also realized that we should tell our viewers is that people are wondering, यार ये तो इतना छोटा कप है.
It's so rich, dude.
हाँ, exactly. वो बोलते हैं ना छोटा पैकेट बड़ा धमाका. This is like that. It's like super small, but इससे ज़्यादा लेना भी नहीं because you won't be able to process.
I am not able to finish this. Look at this. This is so heavy. Half of the cup is still empty.
तो चलो, Dhimant, let's rate this, okay? Rate करते हैं matcha gato at Harmaki, which is at Malleshwaram, Bangalore. What would you rate it? What is your score out of 10?
My score would be 8 on 10.
I dare say I'll challenge you on that. Probably 9.25 out of 10. It
I
is really, really good. I'm telling you, I've not had matcha ice cream this good.
The only reason I rated it 8, Adil, is because I still wanted the kick of coffee a little more. So
See, this is what happens when a dessert lover versus a coffee guy meet, right? You're that coffee aficionado who are saying मेरे को coffee पिलाओ. आएगी, रुको जरा सबर करो. अभी और भी
तो ठीक है ना.
चीजें
Coffee
खानी है.
rating 8, dessert rating 9.25.
9.25 out of 10. And only that 0.75 because I feel like there has to be a better benchmark. But otherwise, this is the tops I've had so far.
And मैं honestly अभी because you said it, जब ये आया कप लेके when he came, Prajwal came, I was like यार ये थोड़ा छोटा नहीं लग रहा है आदिल के लिए. Like I was wondering about मेरे लिए तो ठीक है, आदिल के लिए थोड़ा छोटा लग रहा है.
नहीं यार, like you see, if you look into this, अभी इसमें काफी बाकी है. Picture अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. So with that,
Let's go for
अब शुरू करते हैं. Let's talk about what we're going to have next, right? So I told you यार, धीमंत सिर्फ मीठा खिलाओगे या कुछ और, क्योंकि अपना appetite थोड़ा ज़्यादा है. And that's when you told me कि यार you will also have.
Yeah, wait. I have seen your posts on Twitter. Every time you go to that Air India lounge, you're like, there is a ghee podi, ghee roast podi Benedict. And you like a Benedict guy, like an English guy, like Benny, all of that. I wanted to get you an authentic ghee roast mushroom toast. Let's go with it. It'll balance this nice sweetness and prepare us for the next course of dessert which is coming after this.
Lao. This
go
is
with
this is the bread avatar of Dhimant coming, where he is like, oh आज मैंने Japanese milk bread खाया, oh आज मैंने sardo खाया. देखते हैं आपके sardo का power आज, देखते हैं आपके mushroom का तड़का आज. Let's bring it.
Let's go. Let's.
Dheeraj, can we get what Dhimant has requested for, please? All right. This looks like there is glazed mushroom here. I see some spiced mayo. I see some tomato salsa. I see potato crisps, and then there is some, I don't know, it's a chutney, whether it's a chutney mayo. धीमन ये आपने खाया हुआ है,
हाँ,
आप बताओ.
ये तो चटनी में ही हुई है, लेकिन this the salsa relish on the top seems like deadly. आप ये फोक से खाने वाले हो क्या? ये है देसी और विदेशी का डिफरेंस.
आप खाओ, मैं ऐसे खाऊंगा. तो you want to describe to our viewers what the dish is?
Yeah, it's like a sourdough toast. उसके ऊपर there is a something like a Thousand Island kind of a sauce kind of layered on top of it. Then you have the ghee roast glazed mushrooms, and then you have a salsa on top of it, and then I can see one lonely piece of coriander on top of it, just to make it that Indian touch to it. And if you want to get a close shot for the camera, maybe this is how it looks, right? And then you have the chutney, the mint chutney India ka, which is the most versatile thing ever. Paneer tikka se leke
और
mushroom
उसको
toast.
डाल के फिर वो ऐसा भी किया हुआ है so that you know it looks like it's sort of plated of sorts.
the क्या बोलते हैं उसको, the artist touch.
हाँ, the swoosh. तो चलो शुरू करें, let's taste.
So let's go for it.
Let's taste.
I'm going to take the Indian way and Adil.
अरे हाँ, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. मैंने एक बंदे को देखा लाउंज में कैसे खाता है, तो तुम ये इंडियन की प्रिटेंडिंग मत करो, ठीक है?
I feel the saltiness of the mushrooms blending with the creaminess of the sauce on the bread, right? It's so nice.
I'll tell you what the highlight is. The magic is the way the sourdough has been toasted on ghee. So normally they just give you the sourdough, right? अगर इसको आप थोड़ा ये मशरूम और सालसा हटा दो, और पता नहीं कौन से आइलैंड का सॉस आपने बोला, मेरे को वो प्रॉन डायनामाइट वाली सॉस की फील आ रही है, बट उसको आप अगर हटाओ और सिर्फ ब्रेड खाओ, if you look at this, it is nicely toasted on ghee, and it is slightly heated, and then it has been plated with everything that you just described. So one, you get the richness of that bread, then the glaze of that mushroom, I think, is super yum.
Epic.
Like, I feel that is the star of the dish.
Yeah.
Just have that mushroom in isolation. Now, when it all comes together, there's very interesting potpourri that is happening in your mouth. But man, the mushroom is the star. The bread is outstanding.
I'll tell you a very interesting thing. The bread, like you said, घर पे जो घी से बनाते हैं ना, टोस्ट करके वैसी वाली टेस्ट आई. On top of it, when I went the mushroom, I got a continental feel to it. And then I ate the whole thing together. It gave me a Mexican feel to it, right? पूरा एक
You know why you're so right? It has that chili का kick to it. तो पहले मजा आया, अब थोड़ा अंदर, you know, I'm feeling the chili. But you know what? I'll go ahead and say it. Normally, you should be careful about what you say. मेरे को इसके bread की feel ना पाव भाजी टाइप आ रही है.
I was
Right?
about to say that,
So
dude.
that there's that lovely pav crusty वाला taste
मसाला पाव.
that comes with that butter or ghee, whatever you like it. और उसके ऊपर there is that mushroom, which is the hero of the dish.
Yeah.
And then there is that orange mayo along with the salsa, and then the chilies on top. So overall, I think really, really good. क्या rate करोगे out of 10?
Yeah, this is 9.5 for me. This is epic. Like, after that sweet coffee, like, this just kicked me inside. Like, it's like amazing. Especially the bread has soaked up the entire sauce on top
Yeah.
of it. 9.5 for me. Epic.
I think initially मैं सोच रहा था यार crisps क्यों है, but they actually go really well because the spice will really hit you. You won't feel it in the first bite. फिर second bite में ना you're like, oh, यार इसकी जरूरत पड़ेगी. So I think this is a nice touch as well. What do you think of the mint
I was
sauce?
about to say that the chutney is the epic. Just dip one of the mushrooms in the chutney and try it. It's really good.
Hey, हाँ
You can tell by this that
ये काफी अच्छी है. This is like a very nice,
exactly.
which is an independent, like an independent thing to have by itself. इसमें मिलावट की जरूरत नहीं है.
You know, one of the problems that I have is when you go to these famous cafes and all, and they serve bland food, na. So I like bland food, but sometimes you're in that desi masala wala mode, right? You can make out that Prajwal is a fusion chef, right? Because you're saying
Yeah.
I'm a fusion chef. You can make out the fusion feel to it, right?
Yeah, so the other thing is like a lot of time people judge food by the way it looks, right? Here I think you got to this dish is a star in itself simply because of the burst of flavors. The mushrooms give you a very like Italian vibe when you have like a mushroom pizza, right? That's the way they are blended. But then the salsa, it feels like maybe European or Mexican, but that is so bloody desi कि उसमें इतनी मिर्ची है. And take it from me, who's someone who doesn't have a lot of spice, but I'm enjoying it.
Let me call this the mushroom pav bhaji. It actually like I'm just like look at this. I just cleaned everything up.
Really, really, really good.
What's
So-
your rating?
8.75.
Okay.
8.75 only because 8.75 out of 10 only because I felt like the spice is a little above my tolerance levels. Had I known this, I would have told him to reduce the spice. अगर उसके साथ होता then definitely in the 9s. But
I'm
यार
definitely
धीमन
coming with you to eat because मेरे को तो spice ही चाहिए.
यार तुम्हारे अंदर जो महाराष्ट्रियन भरा है ना,
झंझड़ित.
my nostrils are already opening up right now. But
Please capture this shot.
the spice is really killing me right now. Dhiman, this is the perfect segue to indulge in that lovely tiramisu that we've been talking about. तो तुम बोलते रहते हो ना वो इटली में जाके फील आती है जहाँ पे एक बड़ा ट्रे होता है, वो ट्रे में से निकाल के स्कूप करके वो डालते हैं. आज वो वाली फीलिंग लेनी है हमें. So we had spoken to Prajwal about that. Let's call Prajwal. Let's get in that tiramisu. I want to get rid of this spice. Otherwise, I think my
Absolutely.
sneezes will continue.
Also, I think you will be the first person to get the slice out of that entire jar of tiramisu, which is awesome. Second thing is, what I've noticed is if you are a true tiramisu lover, you don't eat tiramisu at only dessert places. You eat at a coffee place because the most important part is that soaking of those biscuits in coffee. वो अगर अच्छी कॉफी में हुई है, then by default the taste of tiramisu is very balanced. Otherwise, it feels like a यार Bengali sweet. Tiramisu is not supposed to be a Bengali sweet, right? It has its own charm of being dipped in coffee.
Speaking of Bengali sweets, तुमको पता नहीं है ये, लेकिन हमने प्रज्वल के साथ सेटिंग कर रखी है.
अच्छा.
तुमसे पहले ये तिरामिसू तुमको खिलाएंगे आज. इसके बाद because you have a thing for Bengali sweets and not something else, आज तुम्हें हम एक Bengali twist भी खिलाएंगे. वो क्या है तुम वेट करो.
Done.
We'll see what happens. All right, Dheeraj, let's come. Let's get the tiramisu and we'll clear these plates away and we are going to dig into something special today. So Prajwal is here like always. He's gotten us this. What I am excited about is now this tray coming out and us scooping the tiramisu
The first-
from the tray. See, this is like in our points and miles language, now. Dheeraj, can I try it? I want to try to scoop it out. Is it okay?
Go for it.
So यहाँ आ जाओ, इसको यहाँ लेते हैं. You'll have to move away from the cameras a little bit.
इसको स्पाइस इतनी
So
लगी
इसको
है कि he's
यहाँ
worried
लेते
that he'll
हैं.
get a smaller portion, इसलिए ये खुद स्कूप करना
नहीं, I really want to see it. And Nikhil, I hope you're getting this on camera, this whole thing. Like, you see on Instagram all these people going to like Italy or fancy places, the whole tray comes out and then they dish it out. They scoop it out and they serve it to you. मेरे को ऐसा हमेशा था कि मैं स्कूप करूं कभी तो आज भाई स्कूप करेगा. So with that, let's try
Go
this.
all the
This
way
looks
down,
exciting.
then scoop it.
So let's go all.
बर्थडे के काटा है आपने कभी?
So this runs deep, huh? There you go. And then we'll scoop that out. My goodness, let's look at that, guys.
Give it a close-up.
Look at that mascarpone. Look at that lovely layer of cake. Look at the cocoa dust or coffee dust on top. I don't know what it is, but we will try it today.
This is
and
my size,
based on
perfect.
that, we'll take a call. Before that, I have a question for you, Prajwal. Do you also add kalua in this?
This
So
is the-
alcohol free? हाँ, because that was one concern that I had. I normally don't have anything with alcohol. हाँ, egg तो चलेगा अपने को.
वो तो आप कुछ भी डाल दो, कोई से भी एनिमल डाल दो इसके अंदर, खा
It's
जाएगा.
just that, you know, alcohol से थोड़ा अपन दूर रहते हैं. So let's try now for me. Let's try this. I'm going to take a small portion. क्योंकि हम मीठा काफ़ी खा चुके हैं और इसके बाद और एक सीक्रेट मीठा भी आ रहा है धीमंत को सरप्राइज करने के लिए. So I'm going to take a small portion here. But just because I love all this cream, I'm going to take a little bit more. I will paste it here. And I'll paste this here. And Dheeraj, if you can take this back, please. Thank you very much.
Dude, this, look at this is just falling off.
Yeah, I think that is picture perfect.
सर आप ये वाला ले.
नहीं, मैं ये आप ऐश
नजर
करो.
यहाँ पे कहाँ हो रहे हो?
So let's dig in. टेस्ट करते हैं. The epic tiramisu here. It looks certainly very promising.
Delicious.
My God, this is good, yeah.
I can feel the biscuit soaked in coffee, like pure coffee. Sir, this is the difference I was saying. You have the real bitterness of coffee also kicking in, which generally you won't see in the dessert shop tiramisus.
So I'll tell you what, right? What's interesting about this is, you look at this layer that I'm having right now. It is that spongy, light, airy layer. It's extremely light.
Yeah.
At the same time, you can really enjoy the coffee. Now, most tiramisus, when you have the cream on top or the rich layer, it's often very dense and makes you feel very heavy.
Correct.
This
This
has
feels
that
right.
yum to it, but feels like the balance is just about right.
My complaint with most good tiramisus is that it's too sweet for me,
Yeah.
which I know that you won't have a complaint for. But look at me, I'm actually pulling out the bottommost layer which is soaked in coffee and having it because it has the
Yeah.
right balance. It's good, man. Also, did you notice it doesn't feel like the factory manufactured tiramisu? Most tiramisus these days in that boxes feels like a cake.
Yeah.
A tiramisu is not supposed to feel like
Yeah.
a cake, right? It's
Yeah.
supposed to like spread out and fall over the dish like this, right? So
No, it's very nice, very airy, very, very light. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. धीमंत यार, आज तो मानना पड़ेगा, सही जगह लेके आए हो. मल्लेश्वरम में ढूंढ के निकाला है तुमने, अच्छे से प्रॉपरली ढूंढ के निकाला
I
है.
am happy that I passed the Adil test. I am now Adil certified.
चलो फटाफट tiramisu रेटिंग बताओ.
Uh, this is probably in the tiramisu world a 9 for me, easy. It's one of the best tiramisus that I've had for a long time.
Yeah, I agree with you.
Yeah.
I agree with you. Like, I'm not a coffee fan, I'm not a tiramisu fan, but this is a good dessert. Let me tell you what. I've had tiramisus. I would even dare say this is a joint number one in Bangalore, in my view. When I say joint number one, the best I've had. Exactly. Kopitiam la. They serve it in that cup.
Awesome.
It has a dash of chocolatey flavor.
Agree.
Right?
Easily.
You would never expect ki an Italian dessert would be number one in an Asian restaurant, particularly a Malay restaurant in Bangalore. But this, I would say, is a joint number one for that, for me, in Bangalore.
Agreed.
So, really, really good.
Awesome.
Let's go into the next one. इसको खत्म करते हैं with something very, very fun. अभी आप कॉफी
I am
लवर हो, मेरे को
intrigued.
पता
I
है.
am intrigued.
आपको बंगाली स्वीट्स पसंद है, मेरे को पता है.
Sweets,
हाँ, आपके थाईलैंड एंगल पे नहीं जा रहा मैं, ठीक है? So, कट नहीं होगा, ये तो दिखाया जाएगा, ये तो रोल कर करके दिखाया जाएगा. Rewind forward. So now, what I'm saying is, imagine coffee meets Bengali sweets. Rasgulla meeting coffee. So we've got something here which is very Kannadiga, which is very here, Karnataka first, which we call coffee gulle.
Coffee gulle.
Coffee gulle. And coffee gulle is coffee concoction, rasgulla coming together. So let's ask our friend Prajwal, let's bring it and let's try the coffee gulle.
India's answer to tiramisu. Go for it, let's go for
Cool.
it.
So let's bring that. Dheeraj, let's get the coffee gulle, please. Thank you.
This is the one I'm most intrigued about.
All right, here you go. आप बोल रहे थे ना, मेरे को कॉफी का शौक है. पियो कॉफी और खाओ कॉफी. Let's see. आज क्या करते हैं. So let's look at this, and Nikhil, if you can focus on this a little bit and show our viewers. This has got the classical texture of the rasgulla, but it's not white like you normally see it. You can see that it's very nicely soaked. And if you see the sides, right, you will see the density of how much the gulla has absorbed it, right? तो चलो दीमन शुरू करो, देखते हैं.
नहीं बट मैं तो बचपन में जिस तरह रसगुल्ला खाता हूँ मैं उस तरह खाऊंगा. पहले मैं इसको ऐसे करूंगा, इसमें से कॉफी का पानी निकल.
Oh man, just look at the amount it has soaked.
And then I'm going to put it down again and let it soak again.
आप करते रहो सोक, मेरे को खाना है. Oh man.
It's overnight soaked by the way. It's not like soaked for like 1
It
hour
is.
or something.
यार ये काफ़ी मीठा है, काफ़ी मीठा है. It's like, you know how sweet the Bengali sweets are, like crazy sweet.
But
It's
has
that
a-
kind of sweet.
But in the end you feel a tinge of coffee, no?
I think.
Is that चाशनी जो होती है उसमें थोड़ा सा कॉफी का एक
तो ये कॉफ़ी गुल्ला खाने के बाद ना taking a sip of the chashni I think is extremely important. नहीं तो it is insanely sweet. But for those of you who enjoy coffee, I dare say you should come and try this, because I've never experimented with a coffee gulla before. And
crazy.
you had different ones. This is different. From as a coffee aficionado, क्या सोच रहे हो?
यार this is one of those I would say not coffee first
Yeah.
dessert. It's
Yeah.
a dessert
This is
first
a dessert. Yeah.
given a flavor of coffee. Like for example, this reminded me, the look reminded me of that. If you go to Kolkata,
Yeah.
you will get that gud ke
Yeah.
rasgulle.
Yeah.
Gud wale.
हाँ,
The color was like that, but obviously
Correct.
it has that tinge of bitterness which
Yeah.
makes it not that sweet. Although it's very sweet, it
Yeah.
still gives a coffee feeling.
Yeah.
So that's my view at least.
So I think for our viewers, my summary of this dish is like, if you genuinely enjoy sweet desserts and not like the modern desserts which are not very sweet but they are slightly sweet to, you know, appeal to your modern palate, then you got to come here, because this is that hardcore, rich Bengali dessert first dessert. Wrap करें आज का episode.
Absolutely.
So we were here at Harmaki. Chef Prajwal, who runs the place, invited us. He was kind enough to host us. We had some amazing things. We started out with something that I have never enjoyed, but today I'm a new fan. I'm a fan of the matcha. What is it called again?
Matcha gato.
The matcha gato, which is affogato ka bada bhai, right? Or affogato ka rich cousin, if you want to call it that. right?
Avocado ka sassy cousin.
Sassy cousin. वो बहुत अच्छी थी. Ice cream काफी अच्छी थी. And then, you know, the matcha kind of, the matcha ice cream was very nice. And then the coffee kind of balances it out. So I think that was a winner. Second, we went ahead and had the mushroom ghee roast on sardo. A very South Indian ghee roast, but the spice lit me up. I'm not used to having so much spice,
You
but
can see that.
maza aa gaya. I'm still like, you know,
But you know what? After eating it, like I can still remember the taste of the salsa. The salsa and
Yeah.
the mushroom going together is still in the palate, right?
yeah, the salsa makes you come alive.
Yeah.
But I really, really enjoyed the mushrooms in that. The mushroom was the hero of the dish. From there, we digged into that amazing tiramisu that I was able to scoop out of the entire tray, and we indulged. And finally, we wrapped it up with what we call coffee gulle, which is very, very Harmaki first style. So big thanks to Prajwal and for Dhiman
Thank you
for
so much.
introducing us to this amazing, quaint little place. If you're in Malleshwaram, guys, you know where to come in Bangalore. Harmaki, come in here, enjoy the desserts, walk in close by. There is a CTR. Go grab that benne masale dosa and call it like a lovely evening. With that, this is Dhimant and I wrapping up on behalf of the Great Indian Yum Yum Show. See you soon.
Lights flashing bright, we're on the go. Tune in now, there's so much to know. Earning bits, travel dreams we sow. All aboard the Great Indian Points and Miles Show. 0 to hero in the blink of an eye. Fly first class, no need to be shy. Redemption sweet, touching the sky. Award seats booked, let's give it a try. Award seats booked, let the points flow. It's all aboard the Great Indian Points and Miles Show. Unlocking journeys wherever you go. The sky's the limit, feel the travel mojo. Hidden treasures in every flight. Nights in places that feel so right. From deserts to the city lights. Get set, steal those dazzling sights. Miles stack up each passing day. Rewards come back in a million ways. In this game you want to play the Great Indian Adventure, yay! Award seats book, let the points flow. It's all aboard the Great Indian Points and Miles Show. Unlocking journeys wherever you go. The sky's the limit, feel the travel mojo.